In a quiet African village lived a young woman admired by all.
She is very beautiful. Any man who marries her is lucky.
I know my worth.
My daughter, beauty does not last forever. Marriage is important.
Hey, I'm not ready. I still have time.
Men chase me every day. Why should I rush into marriage?
Please advise my daughter. She refuses to listen to me.
We shall speak to her. A woman must prepare for the future, not only today.
So this video was made with VO3, but with the help of a certain website, which actually going to help us get a very consistent, characters, and also they're going to help us get a very long length video, which we could actually use for YouTube automation, and it could actually get it as landscape and orientation for our TikTok or YouTube videos and other social media platforms. So before we get into it, make sure you subscribe to this channel and let's get right into it. So when we actually want to get long video with consistent characters, VO3 is actually bad at that when you use Gemini. So let's try using Gemini and VO3 to actually get a specific video which is actually 8 seconds and see how it's going to be. So actually you're going to our screen and then we actually have to click here, tools, and then click on create videos with VO 3.1. So here what you have to do is put in the prompt. So actually I have a prompt, specific prompt here, which actually I'm going to copy to this stage, which says scene 1, which is opening, and also village introduction. So the national subtitle: in a quiet African village live a young woman admired by all. So the video is going to be like I'm walking confidently through the village and villagers watching. So actually I'm gonna have to copy it and copy. So let's go to here and then paste it here. So this is the prompt that actually I'm going to use to generate the video that actually we want. And again, this prompt was given to me by ChatGPT, and how actually I'm going to describe the prompt that you want to eat. Actually, I'll actually make video about that. So how to get a better prompt from ChatGPT is also going to be released very soon. So let's send this video and see this prompt and see the video that will come out. So, and again, actually using this prompt actually going to give us a video, but let's see when you copy the next scene. So scene 2, let's see if it's actually going to give us the same the same video. So let this one finish generating. But before that, guys, actually I'm John, and actually I'm interested in making tech videos like this. So if you are happy about this video, or if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel and share this video to your friends and everybody, and watch this video to the end so that YouTube will actually promote this video to the number of people that need to see this video. So yeah, let's get back to it. So still the video is not done generated yet, so we have to wait for a time. In some minutes we have got our video, and the video is here, but yeah, so we got a video here. So let's click on it and see how it's like. So all right, okay, all right, still loading. All right. Oh my god, how did he get this basket at her back like this? The videos look great though, but the basket at the back look terrible. And okay, let's download this video, and this is somehow terrible. So let's put in so the video is downloaded, and let's try to check out the video on full screen and see how it's gonna be. So all right, so the full video is here. Actually, yeah. Oh, that's very nice. Actually, you can see the video is very nice, and yeah. So let's put the second prompt here and see. So it even says you can generate 2 more videos today. So we have 2 more left. So you can actually make a very long video from this thing. It's actually embarrassing, and it's bad. It's bad to choose this to be using as your big generating video for yourself, because you can only generate up to 3 videos a day. Maybe if one gets failed, you could actually not make up to more than 3. So it's very bad. So yeah, this is how Gemini and VO3 can actually work up to. So we are actually going to use a specific website which is actually going to help us generate different but consistent characters. And actually we are going to combine them and get a very nice video which actually are trending on all the social media platforms. People are gaining more views, gaining more value to their channel through this thing, and many people don't actually know It's very simple. So within a minute, the second video will be generated, and you compare if the characters are the same, or the background, the environment will actually be very the same or similar. And if it's not, that means you could not use this to make the long video that we want. So let's see and wait for a very small time. And even it take well, quite long to generate, because see, it says this can take up to 2 minutes, and it's taking okay, it's done. Not that long. So let's see what it comes out with. So you see, it said you can generate one more video to do, and it's really bad that we can. Jesus, I'm sorry guys, this is very bad. You see, the second prompt give us different environment, different thing altogether, nothing in common. See, you see here, the thing says men admire her, men whispering. She is very beautiful. Any man who marries her is lucky. Amma smiling proudly. I know my word. See, so let's click on the video. This is Jesus. Wait, guys. No, this video is not bad, but comparing to the first one that we thought is going to be similar or have something in common, so that you could actually combine them together, it's not going to work at this moment. But see, let's start it again. Oh my God. So Jesus, you see these two guys are kissing. No, what is going on, Gemini? How? All right, so no problem. We're not going to deal with this now. Let's try with the method that I'm going to teach you. So here we have to search for Flow. This is the website I'm talking about. Flow, and then we click on the first website. Actually, this is the gem. This is the secret to creating a very long video, AI long video. So if somebody's been creating long videos but don't want to tell you this video is actually going to expose everything. And one thing is, if you want more like this, kindly subscribe to this channel. This channel is a great channel to you if you are into tech and into AI world and everything. So yeah, just subscribe. So yeah, we are going to click on the create with Flow. Then click on that, and let's see what's going to happen. We have to go to new interface, and then oh my God, and then continue with the experience and shape AI, and ask us question. You say, I would like to receive marketing emails. Let's click on this. Okay. Click on this. We have to continue. And here you see Nano Banana Pro has arrived. All right, the interface is even it's more nice. You see, everything is nice here, minimalist. You see, so here we click on new projects. We are going to start with a new project, and actually the new project will be created very soon. And wow, new project done. All right, so type in the prompts box to start. So all you have to do is click on the video 3.1 and then set it to output per prompt actually going to be 1. So output per prompt means when you put in a prompt, how many output, how many videos do you want to bring, how many output do you want to bring. So you're going to put only 1, so that you are not actually going to waste much of the effort that's going to give us. So 1, and then we're going to be accurate and somehow good. So here we have portrait mode and landscape, depending on which media you are going to place it on, social media, whether TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, anywhere. So here model, we click on view 3.1 quality, which is actually a very good one, and then the updated one. So here we have to just put in our prompts. So here let's go to the notes, and then let's copy this one. Oh my God, I know Flow will never fail us. Flow is the best. So we just paste it in here, and then we send it to it, and you see it's generating the video, and it's at switch 2%. Let's wait for a little while and see how long it's gonna take to bring out the output. And we actually going to deal about how you can actually get consistent characters throughout the video and actually not going to mess up. This is great. You see, we have a very nice caption and very nice environment. Let's put it on full screen and see how it goes. So click on that. See, all right, this is nice. This is a good quality. Oh my God, this is great. This is nice, guys. This is accurate. So all right, so all that we have to do is try to add the next 8-second video to it. So all that you're going to do is actually you're going to click on the add to scene, click on that, and then it will take us to new load interface. So what you're going to do now is very simple. So here is your timeline. Actually, we are going to take it to the last interface, the last scene or the last frame. And what you have to do is, because we want the character to be throughout the video, so what you're going to do is click on this save frame as assets. Click on that, and here, let's go and copy our second prompt so that we could actually use that. So yeah, copy it and then come back. So see, okay, click on that and then click on this and paste it and then send it. So you're going to actually capture this environment with the characters here and going to apply it to the next video and going to use them as your next thing. So actually this flow is insane, and I've seen a less video on the media about flow, but it's actually a great one for making YouTube automation and making, you know, AI long form video. You see, this actually can help you make YouTube automation whilst you're not going to show your face. You're actually going to make African Folktale like stories with this, and it's very amazing. It doesn't mess up easily because you understand the prompt that you're giving it from ChatGPT. So actually the prompt actually reached scene 12. So you're actually going to add up to reach where it will say maybe our credit has been, you know, used up or something. If not, then you're going to still go with it. And it doesn't take a long to, you know, load it. See, we have 30, but it could have come like it has done. It's amazing. You know, you all right. So flow is experience high demand. Please try again in a few minutes. All right. So let's wait for some time and then let's try it again. And please, all right, let's send it again. That's not a big deal, bro. This is a very common issue because AI needs more power to, you know, generate. So let's wait again. Right, guys, our next video is done, and actually let's see how it goes. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. So, all right. All right, let's start again and see the mistakes started out.
In a quiet African village, lived a young woman admired by all.
She is very beautiful. Any man who marries her is lucky.
All right. See, this is very nice. The transition is even great. You see, the people at the back were gossiping. You know, she's very nice, and any man who marries her is lucky. So, the prompt actually understand it. So, you know, it switched from where the lady has to say, "I know my right," and it said it very nicely. So, yeah.
Any man who marries her is lucky.
You see how the narration goes to transform to the characters talking. It's actually accurate. Flow is very nice. So what we're going to do next is actually going to put in the next prompt. So as we have to get the same characters throughout the video, we're actually going to save frame as I said right now like this, and then copy the next prompt. So the next prompt is actually scene 3 and mother first warning. All right. So here we actually expecting mother first warning. So actually going to be mother. My daughter, beauty does not last forever. Marriage is important. Amma says, mother, I'm not ready. I still have time. So actually, let's see what's going to bring us. Let it go. All right. So our next prompt is done. It's actually finished. So let's see how the outcome is. So let's click on that mention. Wow, the transition is accurate. See, and even if you don't want it to be like this, you could actually adjust it anyways. Even here or after you download it, you can actually go to the editing software that you use, maybe CapCut, DaVinci, Premiere Pro, anywhere you want it to do. It's actually doable, and actually you go actually cut it out and yeah, continue with it. It's very simple. See how the mother approaches her calmly, talking to her that time does not last forever. See,
Daughter, beauty does not last forever.
sorry, beauty. All right. Let me see whether the prompt says beauty. Okay. So sorry, it does say beauty does not last forever.
Marriage is important.
Okay. So you see, here we've got a mistake here, and the mistake is that the mother wasn't supposed to say, "I have time." It's supposed to be the daughter. So see,
Marriage is important. We still have time.
you see, the mother said, I still have time. So then what you're going to do is actually you need to generate it either again. You need to generate it again. So what you're going to do is that we want the mother to be like this and everything to be like this. But what you're going to do is save frame as assets and actually, all right, come in, cancel it. Okay, let's do this. And then paste it again. But here we actually see I'm a model. Okay, so let's go back. See, yes, like this. And see how the prompt will actually get it. All right, let's send it again. So we got it now. We got it now. And you have to shrink this. So you have shrunk it to this part. And let's see. All right, so after we download it, we are actually going to put it in our editing software and trim that part, cut that part from there. So let's start again and see how the video is going to be.
In a quiet African village lived a young woman admired by all.
She is very beautiful. Any man who marries her is lucky.
I know my wife, my daughter, my daughter. Beauty does not last forever. Marry has important.
All right, so let's go to the next prompt, which is the scene 4. Yeah, Ama's pride. All right, so Ama to your friends, men chase me every day. Why should I rush into marriage? Friend laughing and nodding. So let's copy it and go back to here. Save frame as assets and view this. No, we are not going to use that. Sorry, we have to use something like this. All right, so let's paste the prompts and see how it's going to bring. What it's actually going to bring. Right, the next video is done. Let's see how it goes.
In a quiet African
Next video. The next one. This is nice. Yeah, you even turn into a song. Not that bad. We could literally go with this because it's nice. This is not bad. So we actually, and also we can actually arrange them. So let's click on arrange and see which one maybe you don't want. We could literally, let's see this one. Yeah, remove it. So let's start and see.
In a quiet African village lived a young woman admired by all.
She is very beautiful. Any man who marries her is lucky.
I know my wife, my daughter. Beautiful.
Okay, so let's arrange it to the third one is where it got a one like this. Okay, so let's remove this and then done.
In a quiet African village lived a young woman admired by all.
She is very beautiful. Any man who marries her is lucky.
I know my wife, my daughter. Beauty does not last forever. Marriage is important.
This is very interesting, guys. All right, so let's move to the next point as we don't have enough time to explain everything. So yeah, mother goes to the elders and mother respectfully, please advise my daughter. She refuses to listen to me. Elder, we shall speak to her. So I don't know, but I think it might struggle with this point, but let's see. So let's copy it and I'm actually going to use here to be the frame here this one and paste it. And okay, so I know it won't last very long, so actually I was just going to be given to us very soon. And guys, actually, I know you're enjoying the process. You know, we are getting to somewhere better. And actually, I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate everybody who has subscribed. I'm really happy that I've hit 1,000 subscribers, and it's still counting. But as a content creator, you need something to back up what you're doing, and I mean money or something that actually help you finance what you're doing. And I need to get monetized on YouTube so that maybe I'll get something to encourage me to make more videos. I know I've been encouraged already, but something to push me up more. And I need 4,000 watch hours. If you're watching me right now, you can literally go back to my previous video that I've uploaded, which are actually going to help you solve the problem that you need to solve in tech. Actually, I'm going to be happy you watch the video to the very end and leave a comment. You could actually also share for me, and I will just reach 4,000 watch hours. All right, so let's see the next prompt, what it gave us. See.
Please advise my daughter. She refuses to listen to me.
I don't know how to put this, but is this really bad? I don't think so. To me, I don't think so. Okay, let me see.
Please advise my daughter. She refuses to listen to me.
Okay, so this is what you're going to do. You see, we got everyone here. So what you're going to do is we are going to use this frame. Where is the frame? We are going to use where the mother is sitting with the elderly people, and you're going to use that. So I just want to use that frame. Okay, so here is the frame, and we are going to put in the prompts. So we will delete this one because it's fumble a little bit with that. See, let's see.
Advise my daughter. She refuses to
So yeah, we are actually going to remove this part from there and place the one that is generating. And yeah, we are moving into some place that we are all know is going to be very nice, a promised place. All right, so the next prompt has been generated. Let's see what you got.
Please advise my daughter. She refuses to listen to me.
All right, so we get it, and you have to remove this. So arrange and then move it. Move it. Right. Okay, so done. And let's see how it goes from here.
Please advise my daughter. She refuses to listen to me.
Nice, guys. We are moving to somewhere. So let's go to the next prompt. Scene 6. We have a lot to do, but scene 6. All right. So yeah, 6 elders advising Amma. A woman must prepare for the future, not only today. Amma, elders, I have everything I need. Amma to the elders, I have everything I need. So let's copy this. But I know here we have to do something here. So what you're going to do is remove the elders from here. S is the elders are going to say that. I know that. And I don't know. Let me put it on a stand. So what should happen is paste it and move this. So actually you're going to use a stand here, and what should happen next will be this. So actually generating. Let's see what's going to happen. We have faced problems here, and actually we are solving it together. So if you face problem like this, you could actually come back to the video, or you could actually remember that yeah, he solved it like this, so I could actually solve it like this too. It's very simple, and yeah, it's nice. It's great. The problem that I'm facing, actually, I've used this to generate a lot of videos, but you still have to face problem because it's AI and it's advancing, it's evolutionizing, so it's actually going to happen. Yeah. All right. The next prompt is finished. Let's see what to do.
Man must prepare for the future, not only today.
I have everything.
Got something wrong here. All right. Let's see what's going to do that. Oh, okay. So, actually, we have finished our credit. We have finished our credit, but we have a very lengthy video. You could actually use this, and maybe if you are using this to make videos, you could actually put in part 1, follow for part 2, and you just wait for the next day, and then you just continue with it. So actually, it's still very nice. Let's start from here and see.
In a quiet African village lived a young woman admired by all.
She is very beautiful. Any man who marries her is lucky.
I know my worth. My daughter, beauty does not last forever. Marriage is important. I still have time. Then chase me every day. Why should I rush into marriage? Please advise my daughter. She refuses to listen to me.
Just speak to her. A man must prepare for the future, not only today. Not only today.
I have everything I need.
So here we have finished all our credits, and we cannot actually generate new one again. So yeah, here is how we are actually going to download it, and it's actually going to be exported to our downloads, and you're actually going to continue with that. Even if this is accurate, that you can use it to post it on our social media platform, or you can actually continue editing it in our editing software, and it's very nice. As yeah, you have to be very mindful of the credit that it has been given to you. So we're actually going to create it to a very not that long, and actually you have 47 seconds, which is good, and yeah, everything is nice here.
In a quiet African village lived a young woman admired by all.
downloaded. Let's see how
Does not
it is
last
like.
forever. Marriage is important, so I'm not ready. I still have time. Then check
So this is very nice, and actually, you can actually continue with it. But credit has finished. It's not that bad though, but we have a very nice video which we could actually post it on our social media. And very nice. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As always, I'm JK Tech, and thanks for your subscription and thanks for watching to this. And I really appreciate it.